Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Wash your hands thoroughly, don gloves, and set sterile jewelry and tools within reach. Once done, apply a warm compress for 5 to 10 minutes to soften tissue. This makes the channel easier to navigate and reduces pain. Now gently clean the area with saline, and, if using a seamless hoop, twist the ring ends apart by rotating the two sides in opposite directions. If it's a captive bead ring, push the bead out using a ring opener. Keep movement small and steady. You now focus on removal and positioning. Stabilize the ear with your non-dominant hand to avoid tugging the piercing. Then remove the old hoop. Twist a seamless ring apart by rotating opposing halves, or pop the bead off a captive ring with gentle pressure. Once free, lubricate the new hoop with sterile saline or medical lubricant to ease passage. Make sure the opening aligns with the piercing channel. Insert the near side first, guide the ring through the hole, and keep your wrist steady to avoid snagging. You finish by securing the hoop and tending the site. Close a seamless ring by reversing the twist motion until ends meet flush, or press in a captive bead until it clicks into place. Check that jewelry sits evenly. Once done, clean the area with saline twice daily and avoid harsh products. Make sure sleeping and phone contact are minimized while healing. If you hit resistance, increased pain, or persistent bleeding, stop immediately and seek a professional piercer or medical care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.